Alright, YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Tasky, man. We back. As you can see, got the Tesla Model 3 2020. Got my little cousin Destin behind the camera. You know what I mean? Shout out to Destin. But yeah, my cousin Kelvin, 2020 Model 3 Tesla. Don't know too much about it, honestly, as far as horsepower, all that stuff. You really need, I guess, the app on your phone as far as its features and all that stuff. We can walk around, see how it looks. It's a little dirty, so be mindful. Pretty much it, man. Took the wheel covers off. The rims look pretty good. Come on, let's find it. I know it's loud. They cutting grass, so I'll be quick. The rest of it's gonna be on the GoPro and try to get y'all right along. Pretty much it, man. Alright. I don't know nothing about the Tesla, so my little cousin gonna show y'all. He more tech savvy than I am. So right now he messing with the AC. It's hot. Shit, he got Apple Music, Spotify, everything. Shit, I don't know where you're supposed to go. I'm pressing a little card thing. Okay, so this is the control center. I'm guessing the charging, autopilot, all that stuff. Your seats, display, schedule, safety, services, the whole 9 yards. The middle button. Now you got your camera on the sides, and I guess behind you in the front. Your contact, Spotify. We ain't getting all that. We ain't gonna show all that. But yeah, we're gonna, you know what I mean, get on this GoPro, hit some roads for y'all real quick. It's hot outside, so we're gonna try to make it quick. You know, you got the roof all the way back. Yeah, man, we're gonna get into it. All right, YouTube, we live, baby. To hit some blocks real quick. Destin, say what's up.
What's up?
What, you got a YouTube or something?
Yeah.
Tell them where they can follow you at. Subscribe to your YouTube.
They'll follow me at TTBF2DJ.
You just got back from Miami. How was that?
Good. We off to the semis.
You got a long way to go. Y'all doing y'all thing. Get you to work on that left hand.
We're 3-2 right now, though.
Oh, yeah, that was
First 3-2. The 3 teams we beat, they was all 50s.
Oh, that's pretty good. That ain't bad.
We put up 220 balls, though.
Yeah, man, as y'all can see, I got the Tesla cameras, the one behind us and on the 2 sides. Get this little tunnel right here. Alright, lady. Whoa. Hit this right, and we're gonna go down, come back by house in the middle. Right to the acceleration crazy. 58 right now. Y'all little 60 pull. I know it's what y'all young cats like, them 60 pulls. Really second time driving a Tesla. Had to get it for Kelv and drop it back. My homeboy Ramon, his uncle got one. They quick, good passenger. You feel the, you know what I mean, the movement, the G-force or whatever you want to call it, but you feel it. You feel like a roller coaster.
Going down that hill?
Oh yeah. It's crazy, crazy. If you're in the market for a Tesla, you know, they're pretty affordable. I don't know what's going on with Elon or whatever right now, but me and my homeboy Wyatt went to the mall a couple weeks back. They had a bunch of them for 0 APR, so if you're in the market for a Tesla and got the charging availability, it's a lot of charging stations, more than people think, but practical, then let you decide that. And it's only a 60% charge, so imagine if it's full charge. something. I just got the Tesla Plaid. That's the fastest one.
Not the S one.
Tesla, yeah, Model S Plaid. I think it's the same thing. I think. I don't know. Kelv is the only person in the little car group that got a electric car. Everybody else, you know, gas. So I got the Camaro. Dylan got a Mustang. David got the new IS 350. Go check his video out. He just posted that today. Today being June, what was it, like 17, 18?
Yeah,
June 18th, yeah. So whenever you're watching this, David posted his video on June 18th. So go, you know, subscribe to him. Hit him up in the comments. Tell him your boy sent you. Got to go crazy with that Lexus. Homeboy Ramon got the Audi S7. Sala got the G37, if I said that right. The 4-door Infinity. Got that thing shooting flames, so that's pretty crazy. Got Jay, he doing this thing in Atlanta. He got the EV Hummer. I think he still got the Benz, I think. We got the Mopar girls, Jenna and Lady, RT Durango, RT Charger. So everybody doing their thing, man. Everybody doing their thing.
I got me a blue Honda.
Oh yeah, you do got a blue Honda. We gotta get you a video up. You even know how to drive?
Yeah, I know where to Highway Park.
Yeah, right.
I do.
I'll get you to Highway Park then. Youngest on the road. Like every time you drive somebody else's car, people do the dumbest ever.
Hello?
We're gonna get you back in 5 seconds, buddy. Don't even worry about it. Transmission, no differential, nothing like that as far as gas goes. Pretty much just the battery. That's what they say. Worry about the battery. And tires, of course. What else? Windshield, that's, you know, everybody's windshield get cracked, so ain't no disadvantage or advantage on any car. As far as electrical, just the battery, man. I know the maintenance, the battery costs. That's the only thing you really got to worry about. Enjoy yourself, man. You keep looking back at the camera. You want to say something? Say something, man. You don't gotta be shy.
I ain't shopping. I'm just looking at that crack.
Oh, he got a crack in his foot.
Back there.
Trying to get Ramon lined up with this Tesla, man, from a dig. All-wheel drive versus the battery. S7 is tough. This Tesla tough. Hey, should Ramon be he be the motorcycle. So, I mean, anybody can be beat, man. Anybody can be beat. Should be linking up my homeboy Wyatt. He got the S550 Benz. Try to get that video knocked out later on today. Just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. You know.
Share?
Yeah, share it too. Appreciate it, man. Forgot about that. Share it too. Got a lot planned. Got a lot planned. Got a lot planned. Got a car show coming up Sunday.
T. Higgins?
Yep. You know it's gonna be some crazy stuff out there. So we hopefully try to get an Atlanta trip or a Nashville trip. Coming up with all the guys and all the girls. Trying to think what else we got. Shoot. I ain't really got nothing much else. I just moved. I got the E85 tune hopefully coming sooner rather than later. Got to figure out who's gonna retune the car and all this, that, and the third. My boy Thurman got his Miata up and going, slammed to the ground, so that's a challenge in itself, just getting in the car. Yeah, we're gonna get on Rutledge Highway, get him back. Hopefully no tickets, knock on wood. Destin, anything you gotta tell them before we log off, man?
Stay tuned. Don't give up. If you want one, go get it.
Yes, sir. Tasky 29, man. We out of here, baby.